Hello friends, this is Shehzad and you are watching Shehzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix swipe up not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. There is many method to solve this issue. First is restart your device. For restarting your device, firstly you can press the volume up button, volume down button and press and hold the power button until you see Apple logo is appear, and then release the power button to restart your device. If this is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is check for updates. If a new iOS version is available, update your device. Apple often releases update to address bugs and improve overall performance. So go to settings. Here you can see general, and now you can see software update. Tap on it. Here you can see checking for update. If you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is toggle assistive touch button. If you have assistive touch enabled, it might interfere with certain gesture. Go to settings. From here you can go to accessibility. Here you can go to touch, and now you can see assistive touch. Tap on it. Here you can see turn it on, and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it off back to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is reset settings. If the issues persist, you can try resetting the settings. So go to settings. Here you can go to general and scroll down, and you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Here you can see reset. Tap on it. Now you can see reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings to reset the settings only without losing any data. So guys, if this solution is not working, then we move to another is contact Apple Sports. If none of the above step works, there may be a more significant issue with your device. Contact Apple Support or visit an Apple store or authorized service provider for the further assistance. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.